Hey guys, my name is Francisco Hernandez, and today's video is just going to be a little bit of an announcement type of video. I'm going to be doing a couple of different photo walks during my time in New York coming up in a couple of days, and I just wanted to let you guys know what they're going to be, so in case you guys were interested, you can sign up for them and we can shoot together. The reason that I'm actually going to New York in the first place is for Adorama's first Inspire event. That's what they're calling it. They're calling it Inspire. I'm going to be doing a photo walk on Thursday, June 28th from 2 to 4 p.m. and I'm going to be going over the strengths of both speedlights and strobes. And this is actually something that I want to make a video on very soon, so you guys can get a little bit of a sneak peek in case you decide to go to that photo walk. I'm also going to be doing 2 other photo walks on Saturday, June 30th from 2 to 4 and 6 to 8 p.m. Yeah, if you guys are interested in signing up for either the Adorama photo walk that I'm going to be doing, which is on Thursday, June 28th, or for the other 2 photo walks that are on Saturday, June 30th, then all the links to sign up for these events are going to be in the description area below. In case you guys were wondering what kind of lighting I'm going to be bringing, I'm actually bringing this setup right here. I've used it before in several videos that you guys can check out on my channel. It's the Godox 8200, actually a pair of Godox 8200s. Adorama calls it the Flashpoint Evolve, so in case you guys were wondering if it's the same thing, it's exactly the same thing. It's the dual head attachment kind of combo that actually allows the Godox 8200 to double in power, obviously double in power because there's 2. But what actually is a really good benefit of using this combo is actually the LED brightness of this combo. That's just one level right there. That's just one LED on. And there's actually 3 on each, and you can turn them on for more power in the LED. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And I'm actually going to be using that combo, this combo specifically on Saturday, June 30th for the photo walks that I'm going to be doing on those 2 days, because this is such a great combo for not only the daytime, but also in the nighttime, which is what I've been shooting a lot recently. So you guys can check out this combo in use on those 2 days in person. The model that I'm going to be working with is a beautiful model by the name of Jenny B. You can see some of her images on the screen right now. She's a great model that actually lives, I think, in the New York area. I'm going to be working with her on Saturday specifically. So if you guys want to work with her, then join me on the photo walks that are going to be on Saturday. That's pretty much it for this video, but I did want to mention that I am going to be doing a little bit of a highlight reel for the photo walks that are going to be on Saturday, June 30th. So if you guys are interested in being in a YouTube video, then go ahead and make it to those photo walks. All right, take care guys, and I'll see you in the next video.